This one is really simple. In the first step, create a new black video in the project panel. Click on the new icon, and then select the black video, accept the defaults, and click OK. Inside the project panel, you will find the black video. Drag it over to the timeline, and put it on the second track, and then select the Type tool, and type the text. I would recommend to use a large or bold font. Next, make sure that the text layer covers the clip. After that, go to the effects panel and search for Track Matte key. You'll find it under Video Effect. Apply this effect to the black video. Then inside the effects control panel, select layer number 3 for the video method, and then hit the checkbox for reverse and you're done.